Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been annoyed by that little sticky case pop-up on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, or maybe you accidentally triggered it while typing, don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to completely turn off sticky case on Windows 11. It's quick, easy, and I'll get you through every detail. So, let's get started. Alright, first, go ahead and click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. That's the window icon. From here, tap on Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Accessibility. Now, scroll down until you find a section called Keyboard. Go ahead and click on it. Here you will see the sticky case section. To turn it off, simply click the switch to set it to off. But wait, we are not done yet. To make sure sticky case won't accidentally turn back on, click on sticky case itself to open more detailed settings. Here, you will see more options like keyboard shortcut for sticky case, show the sticky case icon on the taskbar, lock shortcut case when pressed twice in a row, and others. Make sure this also switch off. And that's it. Sticky case is now completely disabled on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. No more annoying pop-ups or interruptions while you are gaming, typing, or working. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments what's the most annoying Windows feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.